Hi, this is Neville with Ziggy's Fireplaces, and I wanted to show you our latest live display electric fire, the new Gazco eStudio Vermont suite. We've got this on display in our Norwich showroom, and it's already proving really popular with our customers. It's fully remote controlled with 14 color options for both the fuel bed and the LED mood lighting you see here, as well as having a programmable thermostat so you can set the temperature just right. The suite you see here is in grey and anthracite, but there are plenty of other options available, including a colour matching service. Being electric, no flue is required, and it's ready to fix onto any flat wall. Get in touch with us if you'd like more information on this or other fires in our electric fire range. I'll put a link to the eStudio brochure in the notes below. This is Neville with Ziggy's Fireplaces and Wood Burners. Thanks for listening.